RTCore64.sys launch error 2026 and hover start 1. Close MSI Afterburner and RTSS quick fix 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC open task manager 3. End these tasks MSI Afterburner RivaTuner Statistics Server. Then try launching Rust again. If it still appears, continue below. Narber 2. Disable RTCore64 driver from services. 1. Press Win-R. 2. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Look for anything related to MSI RivaTuner hardware monitoring. If found, right-click Stop, set startup type, disabled, restart PC. 3. Uninstall MSI Afterburner RTSS most effective fix. If you don't really need it, 1. Go to Control Panel Programs and Features. 2. Uninstall MSI Afterburner RivaTuner Statistics Server. 3. Restart PC. This removes RTCore64.sys completely. 4. Delete RTCore64.sys manually, advanced. Only if it still blocks launch. 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history, but 2. Find, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Delete it, may require admin permission. Restart PC. Nashtard 5. Verify Rust files. Steam. Open Steam. Right-click Rust. Properties. Installed files. Click Verify Integrity. Then launch again. Why this happens? Easy Anti-Cheat blocks RTCore64.sys because it allows low-level hardware access. It can modify memory or monitor system behavior. Anti-Cheat sees it as a potential exploit tool. It's not a virus, just incompatible with anti-cheat security. Quick summary. Close MSI Afterburner. Disable RTSS, uninstall monitoring software, delete RTCore64.sys, restart PC. If you tell me, Windows 10 or 11, are you using MSI Afterburner for overclocking? I can give you the safest way to keep performance tools without breaking Rust.